Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to report an item or shop on Etsy. They have made already an article about it, so let's go through it step by step so we can learn everything about it. So how to report an item or shop. If an item or a shop doesn't comply with Etsy policies, you can report it. If your concern involves intellectual property, you can learn how to report intellectual property infringement. But if you are looking for help with something you purchased, like orders, that's something else. Now, how can we report an item? Well, there is two methods, either by the website or by Etsy application. So by the website, you simply have to go to the listing page for an item, then choose report this item to Etsy. Select a reason from the drop down, then choose I don't think it meets Etsy's policies, and select the reason why you are reporting the item from the list of available options. Add a note about your reports, then choose submit report. Otherwise, on mobile phone, now simply just go and search for in the search results, press and hold your finger on the image of the item, select report this item, and simply go through the same thing as saying that you think that it doesn't meet its policies, and then submit your report. And for example, this is in the search results, but on the listing, simply just go to the end of the listing, select report this item, and do the same thing. Now, what about the shop? Now, for the shop, visit the shop on Etsy.com and choose report the shop to Etsy. Select a reason from the drop down, then choose I don't think it meets Etsy's policies. Then select the reason why you're reporting the shop from the list of available options. Then enter why you are reporting the shop, then choose report this shop. So it's simply repeated actions for both shop and item. You simply have to click on the report button and the rest is easy. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.